up the tanks. Just got to Fraser Coast RV Park.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Bit of shower water.
We're here for 7 nights. Super excited for that. How good's this camp kitchen?
Oh.
So cute. Riley's been collecting sticks for the fire tonight. Do you reckon you've got enough? Getting a bit more? Good job. Another pizza night tonight. So easy to do in the caravan, or outside I should say, on the Weber. We've spoken about this before, but so easy, especially when you've had a big day. It's good to just come home and do something easy. Nick is cooking us up a storm tonight.
There you go.
What have we got in there?
A bit of beef, some onion, potatoes, sweet potatoes, tomatoes.
Yum. All the good stuff.
And a 4X.
And a 4X.
There you go.
Oh my lord.
1, 2, 3. Let's get your phone.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Josh.
Leg?
Oh my god.
Have a look at those claws.
Oh my god.
The size of my knuckles.
Oh.
Mud crabs we just got. See on the bottom there, this is very important. On the bottom there, that big V, that determines that it's a male. If it's a big round circle, it's a female, and females always have to go back. Travelling hairdressers.
How good is this?
Meet Vanessa.
I wish I had a page. What did you get?
Oh! I got a tube.
A tube? What are you going to put in
This
the
is
tube?
going to hold our anti-flap kits and all my fishing rods. It's going to go under here.
How good's that? Now you don't even have to make it.
It's already made. I was going to make one of these from Bunnings, right? But look at this. All the brackets you need, everything. Padlocks in there. What a ripper. Already done. 90 bucks, bargain. I'm right with it, to be honest. All right, so just got the pots baited up. Just to let you know, I'm using whole mullet. I'm just buying it from the tackle store, but get a look at this location. How good's that? Just what I'm going to be doing is putting them in these mangroves here. I've got 2 down here with me now, 2 back there at the car and the kayak. We'll go back and get that, and I reckon I'm going to post them all the way along there. Hopefully we get either swimmer crabs or mud crabs up this way. So we're on the Fraser Coast. So Fraser Island's just over there in the background, but yeah, amazing little spot. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon here. So the tide's gone out on us. Our pots are exposed. Look at that. All mud flats. We did manage to get 2, but unfortunately, the round belly under there means that they're females. A big V will determine that it's a male, but unfortunately they're both females. We've got the other one up on the bank, and they're gonna have to go back in.
So I have to give away my handy tip for bugs. So I usually get absolutely mauled by mosquitoes. I have found the perfect solution. Vaseline Intensive Care, Aloe Smooth, put this on first. Then, this is called, it's by the locals, it's called Sandfly and Mozzie Stuff. And it's perfect for kids as well because it's deep free and it's only got eucalyptus oil and lavender oil in it. So where we are at the moment camping, we've been here for nearly a week. I think I've only got 3 Mozzie bites, so highly recommend these.
And the midgies.
And the midgies.
Yep.
So recommend these ones. That's my handy tip.
What's on the menu?
Oh, so I'm cooking shepherd's pie tonight. It's a really easy meal. So I've already done all the veggies here, doing the potatoes, about to start cooking the meat. Holy moly.
Look at that perspective.
Look at the meat that's going to come out of those claws.
Oh my god.
We're going to have a claw each.
Yeah.
Alright, now put 1 more spoon. You guys ready for this? Should we back up?
Yeah?
I don't know.
What's gonna happen? What do you think's gonna happen, Riley? A volcano. What do you think's gonna happen, Elise?
I think it's gonna splash all over us.
I think it's gonna make a big explosion. Are we ready?
Yes.
Wow!
Now you want to know what could have made this better?
What?
Is if we put this in sand or gravel and then it would have spewed out of the top like a actual volcano, huh?
We've come down to watch the sunset tonight. And we're gonna get some dinner afterwards. Hey guys, thank you for watching our latest episode. We hope that you have enjoyed. We have enjoyed this week so much. Spent the whole week at Fraser Coast RV Park. Highly recommend it. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. So I'm going on my morning walk and then we're off to our next destination. So stay tuned.